Alright, got my latest sculpture, the butterfly project out here. The iron butterfly has been installed. This project's been running a little over 2 weeks, kind of off and on work on the weekends and weeknights. It involved using rebar, made the basic outline of the butterfly, which you can see here in the background. Just kind of laid out something on some large paper that I had, sheets of paper, bent the rebar to the form that I needed, took that, tack welded it up, and then once I was satisfied with positioning, finished welding on that, getting it all solid. Took a little while to make a mounting bracket for this that would work, just kind of hanging it off from this chain link fence I've got out here. And in the end, I decided I want to kind of boost it up a little bit to come up with something that a little more interesting than just the metal. So I was digging around, and some people are familiar with something called EL wire. Cosplay folks use it a lot. It kind of lights things up. It's a wire that lights up in like a almost neon type glow. I went with something called True EL, which is a little more durable than the standard EL wire. Put that up here last night. I'll show at the end of this. I'll add a little clip where I showed it in the evening time. The only thing really left to do on this at this point in time is I've got to weatherize the electronics to it, because it's got a little transformer that has to run the yellow wire. But took this thing, sprayed it down with some silver spray paint to give it a little bit of visibility in the daytime. It's got some screen wire on where the wings are to give a little bit of texture to that. So essentially, that's kind of where it's at right now. This thing probably weighs about 40 pounds, give or take a little bit on that. I'm pretty happy with it. The glow on it is just about right. It's not too bright at nighttime. I'll pretty much all but done on this one. Like I said, weatherized those electronics, and I'm pretty much finished. This is on to the next project. We'll see what I come up with on that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this particular project with the iron butterfly. Alright, it's almost dark. You can see what the butterfly looks like with the electroluminescent lighting on it. It actually looks pretty good. It's got a nice glow to it. Well, that's what the project looks like here out at night. Let me back up just a little bit so you can kind of get a little bit of a view there. A little bit back, but that's where it's at right now.